Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be doing another lipstick swatching video. Today I'm going to be swatching these lipsticks from LA Girl. These are the LA Girl Metal Liquid Lipsticks. I picked these up on ikhouse.com and these do retail for $7 a piece. If you guys have never seen any of my lipstick swatching videos, then I always come to you guys with clean lips, and then I'll come to you guys at the very end with all my thoughts, comments, questions, concerns, all that jazz at the very end. So just to show you guys, this is what the tube looks like. It comes in this black tube with gold font, and then it has this matte wand at the very top that's just like a preview of the actual color. Typically this is where you would find the name of the lipstick shade. However, the lipstick shade is going to be right up here around the rim of the tube. So you guys, those are all 5 of the shades. Just to go ahead and get into my notes, if you guys couldn't tell from the swatches, Lavish and Bronze look almost identical. I had to double check myself just to make sure that I wasn't putting on the same shade twice. All the lipsticks had this very, very creamy formula that was almost like a paste. It wasn't like the traditional liquid lipstick. It was very creamy. I don't want to say chunky, but it was just like a actual cream, like a butter type of consistency when going on the lips, which essentially made for a very, very easy takeoff. As you guys can see, all the lipsticks were very, very pigmented. Some of them didn't look too metallic. They had very, very subtle hints of metallic flecks in them, but honestly, metallic really isn't my thing. It's not something that I would go crazy for. It's just something that I wanted to try out because I didn't have the best experience with the ColourPop metallic lipsticks, so I just wanted to try out a different line of metallic lipsticks. And it's okay, but it's not something that I would rebuy. But they definitely have some very beautiful woman of color friendly shades, so if this is something that you're into, then I definitely suggest checking them out. So you guys, as always, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe on your way out. If there's any particular type of video that you guys do want to see in the future, definitely comment down below and let me know. Let me know what was your favorite shade, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.
Most of them I built with you. Now the dust no longer moves. Don't disturb the ghost of you.